This video is about the truth about making money online. So the goal of this video is not to fluffy around, but instead we're going to cut through the noise and also just go directly to the meat. So in this video, I'll share the real steps to build a profitable online income. No fluff, no fake promises, just actionable strategies you can start today. Before we dive into the strategies, let's set some expectations straight. You have to understand the truth about online income. Okay, the reality is that making money online requires consistent effort. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You have to understand that. Most people fail at making money online because they lack focus and also patience. Why does this matter? Well, without the right mindset, you will give up before you see the results. So you have to understand that making money online requires consistent effort. It's not something that happens fast. You have to be consistent. So now what I want you to do here is to write down your why. Why do you want to make money online? Is it financial freedom? Is it flexibility? Or building something of your own? I want you to write your why. Why do you want to make money? You're going to keep this in front of you for motivation when things get tough. Number two, you have to choose a proven method to start. So there are many methods of making money online, according to many people, what they say, but the truth is there are just two. Okay. Method one is Kindle publishing, allows you to sell books without needing to print or ship. All you need for this method is a free KDP account. So what you can do is you can just click on this link here or enter this in your web browser, kdp.amazon.com, and create an account. Then you're going to need to create an ebook, okay? Maybe it's a guide or maybe something that you are good at. For you to be able to create this ebook, you're going to use free tools like Canva to design your cover and also to design the book itself. These are the things you need. So for you to be able to start, you're going to have to research book niches with high demand but low competition, e.g. gratitude journals or simple cookbooks. These they do very well on KDP. Then you're going to create a 20 to 10 pages manuscript using Google Docs or Canva. Then you upload to Amazon and set your price between $10 to $20. Then you market your ebook on TikTok using engaging short form videos. This is powerful. So also need to know how to go about creating short form content on TikTok. Now for you to be able to create this ebook, you are going to brainstorm 5 ebook ideas based on your skills or interests. Research them on Amazon to see what's trending so you can have an idea of what you're going to be going into. Okay? About your interest. This ebook, it should be about your interest, something that you are good at, that other people are willing to give you money for. Method two of making money online is YouTube content creation. Now, YouTube can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and also affiliate marketing. This is how people make money on YouTube. All you need for you to start on YouTube is a YouTube account, a smartphone for recording yourself or your, whatever things you're going to be talking about. Then you also need free editing tools like CapCut or iMovie. These tools are free. So for you to start, you're going to choose a niche that excites you and solves a problem. Or if you go into budgeting, finance, or tech tips, these they do very well. Now, when you choose your niche, you're going to plan and script your videos. Focus on solving one key problem. Then optimize your title and thumbnail to grab attention. Very important. Remember, we talked about consistency? Yes, you're going to publish consistently at least a week and engage with your audience in the comments. Now, what I want you to do, based on your interest and knowledge, write down 3 video ideas you could create today. Now, write a script for one of the videos and record this video this week. What you should know is that when you start an online business, you're going to face some challenges. And these challenges can be challenges like maybe time. Okay, you're going to have time problems. So for time, you're going to set aside 1 to 2 hours daily for your online business because you have to take it seriously and remember, you have to be consistent. Also, you're going to use tools like Trello or Notion to stay organized because you want to organize to avoid being overwhelmed. How to best beat overwhelmed because you might be overwhelmed with a lot of information that you are learning about, the entire journey. This video is about the 2 proven methods to make money online right now. But if you focus on the 2 methods at once, you are going to be overwhelmed. So to avoid or to beat overwhelm, you just focus on one method. If you're going to start a YouTube channel, focus on that. If you're going to start a KDP account where you're selling the books, do that and focus on that. Just go all in on that and don't do both at once. You're going to be overwhelmed. Now, when you pick one of these methods of making money online, stick to it, commit to it for at least 90 days, and stay consistent to just one method of doing things and just focus on creating more content and more content about this method of making money online. If you commit to it for 90 days, I'm sure you're going to see some results and you're going to come back here on this video and you're going to give a testimony. And that's the real truth about making money online. We are not trying to sugarcoat things here. These are the real proven strategies that are going to work for you. If you take action, if you stay consistent and stick to one of these methods, you are going to see the results. So if you are interested in topics like this and you want resources like this document, if you want these notes about the truth about making money online, I'll drop this document in our Telegram channel. If you're interested in that, you should join our channel. I'll leave the link down in the description, so check it out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.